Hi and welcome back to another class. Today we're going to be making everybody's favorite chicken nuggets. Ah, delicious. So what do we need? We need some chicken, we need some onions, we need some salt, we need some water, and we're going to add a little bit of oregano just to give it that little bit more flavor. And then on the outside, for that nice crispy coating, we're going to be using some flour, some egg, and some breadcrumbs. Classic recipe, and I guarantee you will be cooking this tonight.
We start by adding the salt to the cold water. Mix this well, ensuring that the salt has dissolved before placing the chicken in. Peel and cut the onions and then blend them into a smooth paste. Pat dry the chicken before cutting it into cubes and then mincing it together with the onions. Now season with oregano or any other spice that you fancy.
So now all we need to do is shape them, crumb them, and then fry them.
For the crumbing, we'll be using the classic flour, egg and breadcrumb routine. This gives us a nice crispy texture on the outside. Take about half a tablespoon of the chicken mix and pass it through all these three ingredients. Remember to remove the excess flour before proceeding.
So that's our breading done.
Heat the oil to 160 degrees, then drop the nuggets in, cooking them for around 4 to 5 minutes or until golden. Take them out and we're ready to eat.
So there we have our chicken nuggets. I hope you enjoyed the class and I look forward to seeing you again real soon. Bye for now.